This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 45 Demonstration XVI. This comprehensive demonstration on event handling in Java explores various concepts under AEWT Programming Part 3, including Scribble 1, Scribble 2 Moses Listener, and keyboard events, providing a detailed understanding through interactive activities. The Scribble applet allows users to draw on the component container by handling mouse events, extending the applet class, registering mouse listener and mouse emotion listener, and implementing mouse-based methods like mouse press to record coordinates, mouse drag to draw lines incrementally, with additional features like clearing scribbles, choosing colors, and utilizing buttons and choice components. The mouse listener example illustrates how different mouse events like click, enter, exit, press, and release can trigger specific actions, updating the status label's text accordingly. Through an AEWT program with a component incorporating a mouse listener registered via add mouse listener, enabling event handling methods to be executed based on user interactions. Key event handling is categorized into key pressed, key released, and key typed events, where add key listener registers the listener for keyboard input, request focus enables keyboard focus, key type displays typed characters, while function and special keys have no associated characters, and the key event class defines constants for different keys pressed, like vkf1 for function 1, allowing the getChar method from key-typed events to display characters using the applet's paint method on a text area. The program outlined handles button clicks and displays messages through a Java applet with a frame, panel, text area, and buttons for OK, submit, and cancel, where clicking each button triggers a specific message to be displayed. And another example demonstrates a simple calculator with text fields for input and buttons for addition, subtraction, and multiplication, reading inputs, performing the requested operation, and displaying the result. In the swing calculator example, event handling routines are associated with each component, allowing users to type numbers and perform operations using buttons, where buttons are created and labeled for numbers 0-9, operations, clear, and equals, and mouse listener methods handle button clicks, performing corresponding actions defined by action listener methods that implement the logic for operations based on button clicks. The event handling demonstration in Java AEWT Swing covered various aspects, including the Scribble applet illustrating mouse event handling, in action the status label updating showcasing mouse event handling, key events categorized and mapped to specific key constants, an applet illustrating button and text input event handling, and a calculator example showcasing swing event handling logic, providing a comprehensive understanding of event handling mechanics. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.